You ever wish you could record something without holding a camera or pulling out your phone? Well, this might just be what you're looking for. A camera inside a pen. It writes but also records in 1080p. So let's see if this spy pen is worth it or it's just a cool gimmick. So inside the box there's a pen itself, a USB charging cable, a USB card reader, and even a SIM ejector tool, which is actually for resetting the pen. 5 extra nibs and a user manual. So all around pretty thoughtful for something this small and this cheap. At first glance it looks like a classy pen. Glossy black with silver trimmings. It's heavier than a normal pen, but it also does feel premium, like a Parker pen. The camera lens is right in the center here, and it even has a small cap you can slide over the lens when you're not recording. Nice little touch for privacy. It writes like a normal pen, smooth ink flow, so you can actually use it day to day as well as a camera. There's an LED light at the back, that's how you know it's recording. Problem is, once it's in your pocket, you can't really see that light. So if you're trying to be discreet or you just want to confirm it's recording, you'll have to take it out of your pocket, which is not ideal, but understandable given the form factor. The setup is quite simple because there is really no setup. The 32GB SD card is already inside, but it supports up to 128GB if you really want to upgrade. You can charge it up using the included USB cable. It's not Type-C, which is a shame because that's meant to be the standard nowadays. To turn it on, you press and hold the power button at the top for a few seconds until the light flashes blue. That means it's now live. From there, press this once to start or stop recording. And to take a picture, it's simply pressing it twice. It's actually very straightforward, though I think it's quite useful to keep this tiny manual around for any troubleshooting or FAQs. Now here's what the box claims. 1080p Full HD recording at 30 frames per second. Up to 128GB micro SD card support, 150 minutes of continuous recording, and it can record while charging, which is handy if you're using this at your desk. Sounds pretty solid on paper, but let's talk about what it's actually like. Now it says 1080p, but honestly, it doesn't look like it. The footage is super washed out, colours are off, and there is zero stabilization. If you walk while recording, it looks like you're walking in the middle of an earthquake. Audio, also not great. It's muffled and distant, but you can just about make out what's being said. It says 1080p recording, but honestly, it doesn't feel like it. It's very washed out with no stabilization whatsoever. So yeah, not something that MI5 would be using anytime soon. In terms of battery life, it claims up to 150 minutes of continuous recording, thanks to the 340 mAh battery. In my testing, it gets quite close, but doesn't quite hit that mark. The plus side is that you can record while charging, so you could technically leave it plugged in for longer sessions. Now in real world use, I think this is just something fun. If you're a student and want to pull off some pranks on your friends, I think this gadget could really help you capture a few good moments. But don't expect cinematic footage or crystal clear audio. It's a $30 pen, not a GoPro. But still, it's kind of impressive that something this small can record video as well as audio. Overall, it's a cool little gadget, not something you'd use for serious work, but something you can keep around to have fun with. It writes, records, and it will definitely spark a few reactions. And for $30, I don't think this is bad, as long as you keep your expectations realistic. That's all for now. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!